Are you from Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, Rwanda, Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa, Cameroon, Benin Republic, Zambia, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, the rest of the world, like Canada, United States, and the United Kingdom, and you are tired of the high transaction fee on PayPal, or you are tired of not being able to receive money from your fans and supporters, or you just can't withdraw your damn money. You want your fans, supporters, or donors to be able to pay the transaction fee, but you can't. You want your name to be concealed on the checkout page, but you can't. You want to be able to customize your name on the payment link, but you can't. And you are busy jumping from one payment platform to the other. So unfortunate. Guess what? I have a solution for you. I've created a 27-minute tutorial on how to create an account that allows you to be able to customize your payment link how you like. Wow. Your fans and supporters do not need to sign up in order to donate to you. They can't see your personal details in the payout section. Transaction fees are less than all your favorite payment platforms. You don't need an LTD, LLC, or business account to be able to operate this sort of account. For your money to get stuck halfway and you later come and tell us stories that touch. Your payment link supports over 10 currencies, multi-currency payments. That includes pounds and dollars. And another good one, it supports payment processors like Klarna, MasterCard, Visa, Verve, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Stripe, M-Pesa, American Express, and even PayPal. And you can choose to receive your payment in the exact currency that it was sent. So, what are you waiting for? Visit my storefront on my YouTube page or click the link below to get a 41% off with my code ONJAY. So hurry, only 20 spots left at this special price. Once they are gone, the deal is gone. So let's get this over with.